Hi students, we shall discuss on pointers today. So let's start work understanding what is pointer, what is the need of pointer, and how do we declare pointers, and how do you work with pointers. So basically, we say pointer is a variable, not an issue of that, which stores the address of another variable. That means pointer is also a variable which stores the address of another variable. When I say it is a variable, remember pointer also has an address. Or to be more clearer, any variable as soon as you save in the memory or as soon as you declare in the program, its corresponding location will be available. Mean to say, when you declare a variable, it automatically allocated a memory location. The moment if you say there is a memory location, obviously you can say there will be an address. So that address has to be captured, or pointer keeps track of that address and access the variable. Now let's understand how do we declare pointer. So when we say declaration of pointer, it is same data type. We use a symbol star, and we say ptr name or a pointer name. Say for example, if we say it is integer, I can say int is a star ptr. So now ptr is a pointer variable. That's all. And so now when you do this, it automatically allocates a memory. It automatically allocates a memory like this. So ptr is declared like this. Now what am I doing? I just try to initialize pointer. Say for example, I would have declared a variable int a and star ptr. I shall say ptr is equal to, just a second, ptr is equal to address of a. Now observe, this statement says that we are assigning the address of variable a to ptr. That means when you have declared a variable a, that is something here, and you have declared a variable ptr, and you are assigning the address of a to ptr, that means this will have the address of this. Say for example, if you say this address is 1000, since it is an integer, I'm taking it as 4 bytes, then this address might be 1004. Okay, now I say ptr will have the address of a. Something like this. So now a address is 1004. This will be the value presenting. I mean, it is a ptr. A may have some other value. So now if you say a is equal to 15, so now a will have the value 15. Okay, now let me see how to access the value using pointer variable. Now check out. I write printf value of a. Now I can write a, not an issue, because we have declared the variable a and it is pointing to the okay, let me have that variable int a comma ptr. right? PTR is equal to address of A, and A equals 15. This is what we have written. Now I want to display the value of A. I can write like this, not an issue at all. Or I can still write like this. I write star PTR. The moment I write star PTR, it talks about contents of. When I say when I prefix a variable with star, it is clear that I'm referring to a pointer variable. Whenever I refer to pointer variable and when I write star, it's clear that I should refer to as its contents. So it will not refer to the value what is shown. It's in turn specifying it as the address. When I say this 1004 is an address, then you go to the address and access whatever is there. Though even here you'll get the output as 15. Even here also you'll get the output as 15 itself because you're trying to access the value through its address. That means you are going to this 1004 is the address. Go to the location 1004. Whatever is there, you put it. Right? It's something like if I know the location of your house, I can come to your house without informing you or uh, without your directions also. Mean to say, when you say A is a variable, I should access the value of A only with the variable A. Suppose if you are having a pointer to point to the address of A, then obviously I don't want to use a variable A. Instead, I can take its address. That's where the pointer comes into picture. Right. So remember, this is how we could able to understand, and this is how we could able to declare a variable. Say for example, now let me change something. I write like this: star PTR equals A into 5. Now what should happen? Please observe properly. When I say star PTR A into 5, so A is 15. So now star PTR should be 15 into 5. It is 75. That means star PTR is 75. Where we have to store this now? Remember, we are accessing this itself. We are referring to this. We are referring to this, isn't it? So we are referring to this. Sorry. We are referring to this. So I just refer 15. I just multiply it with 5. So answer would be, it is 75. Since I refer it as A, yes, I obtained it as 15 and I multiplied with 5, I got 75. Now, if you observe, when you say 75, this 75 is stored in star PTR. That means, remember, I'm in turn changing this value. Now, this becomes 75. Remember, you were writing, right? Sometimes it is same as writing. Suppose if you write A is equal to A star 5. Both are same now. Either write this or that, both are same. So when you try to observe, when you wanted to access, please do understand I'm accessing this, or still I can write this also. Star PTR equals star PTR into 5. This also remains same. Whether you do this or you do this or you do this, answer will be same. You are still accessing the variable A itself. You're accessing the value of a variable without its name but with its address. Okay. I'll stop at this point of time to discuss about this. Next session we will discuss about pointer to pointers and array of pointers and many other things. I just recall pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable where pointer can store the address of another variable. I can able to access the variable through its address. This is an example. And remember, again, when you say PTR is a variable, a pointer variable, it is also having some address, right? As shown here. Can we have a pointer to that? We shall discuss about it. Okay. That's what is referred as pointer to pointer. We shall discuss about it in the next sessions. Thank you for watching.